Good morning, teacher. My name is Marelis Palacios Borja. Today we start about in the path of technology in the air. Through the chart in the dot of technology, what took place spread in the industrial era. Technology was our were off to the everything due to my factor for spire greenhouse gas the excess energy required big desencuentros pushing to a natural resource y the speed we were there were stunting cash I unbalance in the ecosystem but today the sky still occur mad active from a wood a warm material to the disport of the waste generation of obliging a technological product can have consequences. Very waste was natural scored nation for humanity should as war long is the source on the earth. Advantage. Mother of the sun method math is the possible to the dead the press of free war in the corner. Renombre en el social son polylestran not renewable sources such as coal or oil. December generation of graph central technology activists narrative of his pull was thus difficult to element such as plasma matter on the water. Conclusion on Walker as she had the consequence for the Mario every in which they occur the all slim process can considerably damage the pupil from on the which in the upper region. If it is not regulated, measured y use a moderate watt the drum the sky green technologies in which debut the cause the extinction of the air. Thank you.